Listen, forgiveness is not for them. Forgiveness is for you to be free. It's to get out of the prison you have been in your soul. And there are too many of us in this room, too many of us in that overflow, too many of us watching me across that camera. You've been in a prison for months, you've been in a prison for years, you've been in a prison for decades. No, they don't deserve it. Neither did you. They may never come back and apologize. This is not the Lord saying you being a doormat. This is not excusing people for sin. This is the Lord saying, I care about your freedom so much. I want you to live a life of boundless forgiveness. That is, when people wound you, just keep letting them go. You're not doing it for them. You're doing it so that you can live in freedom. The Lord wants you to live in freedom. He wants you to evict everybody in your heart that you've been carrying for years, decades. You're still stuck in that season. He wants you to evict them from your heart.